Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to share store link on Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First, log in to your Shopify account and go to your store's homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can access all store features and settings. Once on the homepage, look to the lower left corner and click Settings. This opens up all the behind-the-scenes options for your store. Next, in the Settings menu, select Domains. Here, you will see all the domains connected to your Shopify store. Click on your current domain to view its details. Double-check that the URL displayed is correct, as this is the link you will share. Once confirmed, highlight the domain and copy it using your keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now your Shopify store link is ready to be shared. You can paste it in social media posts, emails, or messages to customers and friends. So that's basically how you can share store link on Shopify. That's it for this video. Thanks.